Inside-Outside Room by L'Atelier Nomadic Architecture Studio in HOUILLES, France. The project started with a wish from the client to create more space for the living floor of their house. The 1.5-meter level difference between the living room and the garden, which was at first seen as a constraint, became a source of inspiration to create a large room at the floor level of the garden but at the ceiling level of the living floor, integrating both spaces, but keeping them separate at the same time. This process resulted in a volume of 7/5/4 meters totally open to the garden, with a fully openable accordion door and offering the living floor a balcony relative to the new space. With an entire window facade, able to open and close completely, the relation between the interior and exterior became evident and real, leaving behind the old situation of a small staircase and door that connected both spaces. This room, with no specific function but one of offering freedom of life, becomes an inside-outside space, with a strong connection both to the garden and the house.